The That Thado Trophy 2020 Ahum Lungding Nisim Somlasagi November 2020 Tuesday ni Khole Kumsia Anachi Zong Beijing Athum Chana Thado Trophy Chu Thado Trophy Organizing Committee Hoto Wananoiza Supermaina Public Ground Na Ding Ahizin Munchom Choma Kham Tha Ho Zosi Pan La Chedin Ikitim Ove Rise as one team, dreams, mission, above and beyond. The That Thado Trophy to kickstart from 17 November 2020, Tuesday onward, till a grand final invite. Intending clubs, teams, association to fill your participation and presence at the tournament. Committee members are Chairman Pu Song Pu Elmun, Vice Chairman Pu Lam Kulen Kipkian, Secretary Pu Se Miller Thofung, Accountant Tampa Se Imam Kipkian, Members Pu Se Kulen Singsit, Pu Sonu, Pu Se Pu Kipkian, TSA USYC, Ex-Official Chairman Tampa Hengo Thang Kipkian, Advisor Pu Baomin Thang Kipkian, Pu Lam Cha Chongloi. With the coveted Thamaka as prizes, Champion rupees 1 lakh plus trophy plus certificate. Runners up rupees 50,000 plus trophy plus certificate. Second runners up rupees 20,000 plus certificate. With exciting individual prizes: best player, best keeper, top scorer, hat-trick, best midfielder, best defender. For details, contact the organizer at Momoy 8787 666865 or Lalboy 9366895718.